Okay, so you've just bought your M1 iPad Air 5 as a laptop replacement or as your main device, and you want to use it for work, study, general browsing, or just note-taking. Now you would want to buy a solid keyboard that would help you ease your typing experience, and at the same time you would also want to buy a case to protect it from dents and scratches. Now there are two ways of going about this. One is that you buy both the accessories separately, or there's a better option. Let me show you. This is Logitech's Folio Touch, and it is half the price of Apple's Magic Keyboard at only $159. And in my experience of owning this for about 7 months now, this is the best value for money keyboard that you can buy in the market. Now this keyboard can be used for your iPad Air 4 as well. Before we get into the details, this is not a sponsored video. Let me show you some key features. So it has got a full-size keyboard with well-spaced backlit keys. It has a full row of iOS hotkeys. It has a precision trackpad with multi-touch gesture support, an inbuilt kickstand with 4 modes, a military-grade protection, a smart connector, an Apple Pencil secure magnetic loop, and a space to charge your Apple Pencil. This perfectly adds up to your iOS functionality. So you've got your home keys, you've got your screen brightness, then you've got your search key, your key brightness, media controls, volume controls, screen on and off. All of the basic iOS dedicated keys comes in this keyboard. Now the inbuilt kickstand that comes with will serve all the purposes. So you can adjust the kickstand to a viewing mode, a typing mode, a reading mode, and a drawing mode. Now this keyboard has a smart connector, so it takes power from your iPad Air once you've attached it to the keyboard. One of the things that makes this keyboard a little special is that it meets military-grade protection. It's not as accurate as the Magic keyboard, but it serves a purpose. And if I'm not feeling comfortable on a trackpad, I can even use an external mouse. The case also is spill-proof. So once your iPad is closed, in this case, if you accidentally spill liquid on it, you can just wipe it off. Now what I really like about this keyboard, it is just a breeze typing. It just feels more natural, and the keys are well spaced out. Now the second thing which appealed to me about this keyboard is that it is extremely strong. It secures your iPad like no other keyboard case can. Now what I mean is that you can drop it from 5 or 6 feet and not worry about your iPad being damaged in any way. And the coverage is all over your iPad. So you don't have to worry about protecting your camera or the corners or the edges or the screen. Now the only downside that I could experience is that it is a little on the heavier side. It weighs about the same as my iPad Air. So adding both these together makes it a bit heavier to carry around in my experience. But at the end of the day, it serves the purpose of protecting my iPad and at the same time making it a very good productive main device. Now if you're going to use your iPad Air for at least the next few years as a laptop replacement device, and you don't want to worry about damaging your iPad from accidental drops, dents, scratches, accidental spills, look no further. This would be your best money spent. Thank you so much for watching, and if you're looking for some interesting accessories for your iPad Air 5 or 4, watch this video.